What's up guys, I just wanted to give a quick rundown video on the CV.OCD, probably one of my new favorite products to pair with Circuit. Reason being, it's a MIDI to CV converter. And this is great because if you use a modular system, a Mother 32 or the O coast, no coast, zero coast, whatever coast you guys call it, this thing really ties the two together. So with the MIDI in, the beauty of this thing is, check this, it has an 1/8 in, so you can use your normal, I'm not sure if you can see this yet, your normal 1/8 in out of circuit directly into here, so you don't even need to use the little adapter. If you have some auxiliary cord, it'll work perfect. So with this you have 4 CV outputs and 12 gate outputs. The way these 4 work and these 4 work are fairly similar, and these can be set up to do whatever you want as well, like for different MIDI notes. By default, out of the box, the way this is set up is perfect with Circuit. So you have Synth 1 or MIDI channel 1 is going to be on A, B, 1, and 2. It's going to go pitch, velocity, gate, and then trigger. And the cool thing there is then synthesizer 2 is on the bottom. So it's going to be pitch, velocity, gate, and trigger. And then 5, 6, 7, and 8 are gates, or are drums 1, 2, 3, and 4. So MIDI channel 10, note C, D, E, and F, I think. I can't remember offhand. And then these guys down here are velocities, as well as an 1/8 and a 16th note clock. So that's the basic rundown of this, which is awesome. To power this guy, it doesn't come with power, but I'm sure you guys have it. It's going to be basically a regular guitar pedal power, 9 to 12 volt center negative DC power here. And yeah, that's basically it. So let's get into it. So like I said a second ago, this thing's awesome because I'm going to use this 1/8 to just go into the MIDI in here, and then I'll take the MIDI out of circuit right back there, and it's just straight in, and it works just like a charm. Right, so here we have the CV.OCD plugged into circuit. You can see that it's powered and receiving signal, and also what mode we're in. So let's go ahead and make some connections. I'm going to go ahead and send synthesizer 1, which will be A. The pitch, I'll send it to this, the Bacillus Iteratas alter. Let's send its gate to its trigger. This is a drum module, but I like to use it for multiple different things. And we'll send its velocity. Let's send the velocity over to the filter frequency. That should be fun. And then I have these 4 plugs right here coming from my envelope generator, the Quadra, and I'll send those to the gates of the drums. So 1's going to 1, drum 1, 2's going to drum 2, and 3's going to drum 3. And actually, instead of using drum 4, I'm going to utilize Synth 1's MIDI channel 1 trigger output to trigger another envelope to move the filter cutoff even more. So this will be good for us here. The rest of this is a pretty simple patch. Alright, so here we have the patch. We have the top 4 of Synth number 1 going to the modular. We go into mixer. You can see that Synth 1 is turned all the way down. The rest are still up. And we have, of course, we're going to be using the Bacillus Iteratas for our synth. This filter here. And we're going to be using, actually, if we follow this one back, the trigger of Synth 1 to trigger envelope 4, which is also going to affect the shape of the filter. So right now I can go ahead and play circuit if I want on Synth 1, and it's going to be playing this. You can see right here where it says hit, it's playing playing my modular. And then I also have the basically number 2 out of the CV.OCD affecting envelope 4, which is going to the filter cutoff as well. And it's dirty. Alright, so let's see. I also have the velocity going to the filter cutoff as well. If I touch it light, or if I hit it hard, you can hear it jumps up. So I got a little track here. I'm going to go ahead and start jamming around and see what this sounds like. Man, I love that thing. Thanks for checking it out, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks again for watching. Share with your friends, share the knowledge. Knowledge is power. Peace.